Something else. Hey, what's up, everyone? It is Tuesday, December 19th. Markets are closed. It'll be opening up back here in about 43 minutes. So here's the review for today, plus and more importantly, the predictions for the S&P 500 futures, as well as the other ones. Stupid. Hey, it is December 19th, so we're going to go over the charts for today, plus the predictions I have going into the 20th of December for tomorrow. So start off right here, the S&P 500, and basically what happened today, all of the trades, the long trades that I talked about yesterday, those were completed. You can see from here using the triangle trade, that one went up there and got hit today, and then this one right here, that one got up hit right there as well. So all of the long trades that I said to look out for from going into today from yesterday, those all got hit. We still see we have this blue line from the 5-wave move over here. I mean, if it goes up there and gets hit, that's awesome, but I'm just not sure what to do with it at this point in time right here. All this got filled. It hit the 7%, and that's what I'm leaning on. That one's closed. But if you want to make it the 8, tomorrow if we get a pop up right there, it's not out of the realm of possibility. 12, what would that be? About up to 1.34, 1.3 percentage points up for today. So definitely doable going into tomorrow. So that's one thing I'm looking at, because this is just a big question mark for this trading right here. Is the 7 line going to be it, or the 8 line going to be it if it hasn't had their trades yet? But yeah, I mean, going into tomorrow, I mean, we can see right here, look, price is just in a real nice uptrend right here. That's all I can say about it. There aren't any other setups right now to look for. It's just right now, price, take it something, I mean, you can do it like that, or even something like that-ish. I mean, as you can see, it's just going up at a 45 degree angle. So price is going extremely well. That's all I can say. It's the next thing we'll get. It will be a consolidation for it before it decides whether it wants to continue the uptrend, or break out and go to the downside. But right now it's just in a strong uptrend. So that's all I can say about the SP 500. So don't fight the trend. Just go along with it, and that's what it is. So let's see. I'll tell you what. Let's see one thing here real quick. Did this come back, and did this start another 5-wave move up? Okay, yes, it did. So we do have the start of a 5-wave move up right here. So let's go ahead and track it right here. So here we have 0. Let's wait for the pullback right there. There's the low. Let's go here. See where it comes back. So it does come back hit, but it creates a new low down here, so we have to go back up with it. So here's the 0 to 1 point right there. And do we have a 0 to 2 point? That broke it there. It can't be that. Could be this one, but didn't go back and hit it. So right now, price is just running away from it. So all we have right now for the 5-wave Elliott move, there's 0, 1, 2. I'm still waiting for the 3, 4, 5 to come up there right there. So we do have potential 5-wave Elliott move. The only way it doesn't work out is if price comes back from these highs and breaks into this low and creates a trend going down that way. But what we're looking for is price to come back and retrace back to the 23.8, the purple line right there, or 23.6 level, and then continue up. So say like that's the high, you look for it to go just somewhere between the purple and black line right there without piercing the black line, then going up to at least that orange line right up there. So that's not saying that's going to happen, but that's what it would look like for it. Going into the Russell 2000, so we do have a short setup right now, and when the market does open, I am looking at getting back into it, or pretty close to it, because I had a contract up here looking to get filled. I did not want to get in when this happened, because there's the entry right here. Here's the entry bar right there. You can see price continued. Let me change this thing to that one. You can see price went up, hit their 50, which is a good entry point. Looking to take it down to the 1.146 right there, which would have been potential of 7.5-ish points. But I see that never happened. And the reason why I didn't want to get into it is because see how the trend line is just going up. Obviously, we're going against the trend right here, which is what this trade would be. So when that happens, plus if you got into it right there, here's the exit. It's like if market would have just totally collapsed by the end of the day. There's 3:30 p.m. There's the close of the day right there. And here's where it happened at 11 a.m. You would need the market to collapse a lot. And it didn't look like it was doing that at all. Let me put this thing on there. The only thing that would have made me think, okay, maybe there's a shot it will go and collapse today was because you see we had it was a breakout day today. There was the here is the extension high levels. Price just rocketed on through right when the market had opened for today. Came back, used it as support. The resistance was used as support and bounced off of it. So today was just a blowout day. So you can see at 11, they used it as support and just bounced off of it. So when the market does open, I am looking at getting. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my. Let's go back to here. I'll put my entry right here at the 1.146, since that's going to be the 1.146 from the 3 to 4 move. And then if price goes up and hits that, then the exit moves from the green line down to the 1.146 the other way right here. So the exit at least is going to go. You can put the exit, just be safe right here where the entry point was right there. Or really it's the 1.146, and so that's why it's just when it goes to the extreme level the other way, that's when you shift it down from being the green bar exit right there for it. So it's either when it hits the 1.146 the other way or the other side of the green line, but you can see it's probably not going to go up there and hit that. Put it to extend lines. If you extend the line, you can see, that's what it looks like going up right there. So either one, once it hits the other way, either the pitchfork line the other way, or the 1.146 from the extreme move for it, which the longest move is from points 3 to 4. That's when we shift it back down to there because it's just an overshoot of it. But it's definitely an uptrend. But one thing I did mention yesterday as well, look for like this level to be just consolidation this week for some of these markets. And so for like the Russell right here, I mean, look at that. That looks like a good consolidation zone right there. It just bounced back and forth here. We're at the top of it right there. So that's another reason why I'm looking at shorting this back down to there. And then wouldn't be surprised if the market comes on back down here. Shut up. Thank you. Sorry. All right, sorry about that. I had a package delivery at the door. Dog was going crazy. So yeah, that's what we're looking for that trade right there. So I'm looking into getting that one for tomorrow for a little short side move, potentially tomorrow for the Russell 2000. Now it could go up some more, up until 146 to the 1.44 area, up in this zone right up here. But if you're getting right there, you're getting it at a good price. Same thing for the Dow Jones, same exact setup as we have for the Russell 2000. Is a blowout day. Obviously, if you look at, there's the low to the high of the previous day. Look at that. It just blew straight out of it and continued going on up. Same setup we are having for the Russell 2000. Right there. So one of the things, well, here's one of the things I want to talk about as well. Okay, oh my gosh, let's just stop this thing. All right, hey, what's up, everyone? It is Tuesday, December 19th. The markets are closed. We're going to go over the recap for today, but more importantly, where I'm predicting the markets are going for tomorrow. So starting off with SP 500, really the only thing to say about it is in an uptrend. All of the targets from yesterday that we talked about went and got hit. You can see, like, if we went from, let's see here, where is there's one, two, three, four. See this one right here. This is like the big target we're looking for to go up there and get hit. You can see trial trade there and went and hit it. And there's one other one in here as well that got hit down in here. So all the long moves to the upside were hit today. The one thing I'm watching is seeing if this is another 5-wave LA move getting formed right here. This would be the 0, 1, 2, and waiting still for the 3 and 4. For the 4 to get finalized, we need it to come down from the high and hit this purple line right here, the 23.6 retracement right here, and it can't go below the black line right there, which is the start of the 1 wave right there. That's one of the main rule of LA waves, is that wave 4 cannot break into wave 1. So as long as those things are good, then we're good to go. And then if it goes up after hitting somewhere between the purple and black line, and it's the 1.146 extension from the move, then it solidifies one 5-wave move, and we can put on the pitchfork trade for it. Because if we go down to, which one was it? It was one of these moves down here. 0, I think it's this one. 0, 3, 4, go right there, change you out. If we go in right here, we can see that the 7 line was hit, which is one of the things I'm waiting to see, is the 7 or the 8 line going to be the exit for it. But the market keeps on popping up. So if the 8 line is going to be the true exit, it just needs another, going in tomorrow, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 percentage points gain, which, easily done, no big deal. But if not, we'll just go with the 7 point. But anyways, it still had good gains. But basically the main thing about SP 500, there's not a whole lot to talk about today about it. It's just that it's in a strong uptrend. Very. What's up?
What's up?
Yo, huh?
Yep. Are you in the stream?
No.